Hello everybody, how y'all doing? My name is Jackson Scarberry. I used to be one of Mr. Akers' lead guitar players, and he reached out to me and wanted me to help him make some videos for you guys to help you out in this online learning nonsense. But I'm here to help you out. Our first lesson is going to be tuning. So basically what you want to do is you want to get you a little tuner. I got a little Snark tuner here. They're not very expensive. They're like $5–10 maybe, if that. You can get these at any music store, Route 60 Music, anywhere. What you want to do is you want to turn it on, clip it to the guitar facing you. That way you can see it. Like that. Now, the first thing that you really need to know is what your strings are named. So your top string right here, the thickest string is going to be your 6th string. The lightest string, which is going to be your very bottom string, is going to be your 1st string. So it's going to go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Each string has a name. It goes E, A, D, G, B, E. Now we're going to do that one more time just to make sure you got it. E, A, D, G, B, E. Alright, now that you know that, we got to go up here to your tuning knobs. You want to follow the string and you'll know which knob is associated with which string. Now, what you want to do is you want to pluck your string kind of like a tremolo pick, so just over and over and over again. And look on your tuner till it shows it perfectly in the blue. If you don't know what I'm talking about, this is what I'm talking about. It is perfectly fine if it's in the blue or just a tad bit over or just a tad bit under. That means it's fine. So what you want to do is you want to go through each string and make sure each string is in tune. Remember, we're going to go through our strings one more time. Let's name it. E, A, D, G, B, E. Now, let's go ahead and tune up. One thing to note when you're tuning is that you'll know which way to turn the knobs. If you need to tune up, you turn the knob up. If you need to tune down, you tune the knob down. You do not turn it a whole bunch. Just a tiny little bit, like barely move it at all and it will change it drastically. So not very much. Once you're done, just unclip your tuner, turn it off, and set it down. Alright, another thing to note when tuning your guitar is that it could come up with a D, but it'll have a number sign beside of it or like a hashtag beside of it. Now, what that means is like D sharp, G sharp, or even A sharp. So what you want to do is you want to tune it down some more. That means you're too high. That means you're a notch too high. So tune it down. Not up, but down. So remember, if there's a hashtag beside of it or a number sign beside of it, you need to fix that. Tune it down. And remember, that means sharp. So it's the letter in front of it and then sharp. So like D sharp. So your strings should sound like this.